Good evening and thanks so much for joining us tonight on your Wednesday. I'm Sophie Erber. The U.S. Supreme Court begins a new term on Monday, and the docket's already filled with important cases that could have some national implications. Our Washington correspondent Alexandra Limon takes a closer look at the power of these Supreme Court decisions now in our top story at 5.
Legal access to abortion is one of the most important issues the Supreme Court will decide this term when it hears the case on a Mississippi law banning abortion after 15 weeks without exceptions for rape or incest.
That violates Roe versus Wade.
The court's decision could have wide-reaching national implications.
The court can always decide that it's not going to follow its own precedent.
The Supreme Court will also hear a case about the constitutional right to carry guns outside of your home and whether Washington, D.C. residents should have voting members of Congress. Senator Paul Strauss represents D.C. only symbolically.
You have 200 years after the American Revolution, taxation without representation.
And the decisions the Supreme Court reaches without hearing cases are also getting scrutiny. Democratic Senator Dick Durbin says the Supreme Court is misusing its shadow docket.
It has started to use the shadow docket for more political and controversial decisions.
Durbin says the new law in Texas that bans abortions at about 6 weeks is in effect because of this type of decision. But Republican Senator Chuck Grassley defended the high court.
It declined to intervene on an exceedingly expedited basis.
But Democrats say the court's political decisions are the reason 2 recent polls found Americans' approval rating of the Supreme Court has plummeted.
In Washington, Alexandra Limon, KCAU 9 News.